Okay, now.
Now we're going to try the Shockwave brand. See how it stands up. See if we get as big a boom.
Same procedure as the other one?
Yep, but the Shockwave brand, they don't double bag everything. As you can tell, their chemical mixture is just a little bit different. They use a lighter color catalyst. They don't tell you what it is, but that's not important. As long as it works.
Yeah.
One thing I like about the Shockwave, it's in a clear plastic, so you can see how well you're getting mixed without even opening the jar. It doesn't get as dark, of course, because of the light colored catalyst, but you still want to take a look, make sure you don't have any bright white spots in it. If you do, just continue shaking it. They actually tell you shake for 30 seconds. So by the time I get down there, that'll be 30 seconds, we'll be good to go.